Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking to update or create a better end to your walking stick or cane? This beautiful walking stick top is in the shape of an anchor. It was very easy for me to install it on my wooden cane simply by adding the spacing piece and then just screwing it in. It was exactly what I was looking for, not only to add something interesting and more my style for my cane, but also the fact that it has what's basically the shape of a handle because it's an anchor. I found this to be very comfortable for when I'm leaning on my cane and very easy for me to grip. So if you're looking to update the top of your walking stick or cane and you love all things nautical like I do, then I highly recommend this topper for your cane in the shape of an anchor. It's made of brass, it's substantial, and it is easy to install. And whenever I'm using it, I feel more secure because I'm able to grip my cane with my hand instead of just having a rounded end. And that is my point of view.